Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making mayochup chicken rice. It's yummy and delicious. Which ingredients I am using? In a hot wok, add half cup of oil. Add 1 egg and stir it quickly. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Cook for a minute. After 1 minute, add 1 medium onion chopped. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 200 grams of boiled boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix well and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off flame. Now it's ready. Now take out from the wok. Now add cold smoke. Add oil and leave for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take out cold from chicken. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Half cup fresh coriander leaves. Now mix well and set aside. Using 2 small potatoes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, add 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, add 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. Add in hot oil. Fry until it's changed into a golden color. Now you can see it's done. Take out. I am using 250 grams of rice boiled with 1 teaspoon of salt. Knead a dish. Add 1 layer of rice. Now add French fries. Now spread the layer of chicken. Now again add 1 layer of rice. Now again spread chicken and add French fries on top. Now leave in microwave for 5 minutes. Now it's done. Take out from the oven. Now you can see mayochup chicken rice is ready. It's yummy and delicious. Please try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. If you like the video, please share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.